Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix installation ended permanently because of an error during installing programs in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type services, click on open it. In services you just need to search for Windows installer service. Just double click on it. If the service status is stopped, then you just need to start the service and then select OK. Right click on the Windows installer service and select restart. Now you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the same solution guys. The same solution, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Just to copy and paste it one by one. Press enter. After finishing these three commands, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of the solution fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.